All right, everyone, Delvon Digital here. And listen, we about to go out here and do some POV with the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the building. Let's get it. All right, let's get our first shot in. Look at this, look at this. I'm loving this right here. So let's get this like this angle right here. Now, keep in mind that I'm shooting everything in JPEG today, but this time I don't want to do it. I want to show what type of shots you can get if you're just a regular Joe and not a photographer. Well, maybe I'm getting good angles as a photographer, but still like no edits or anything like that. So let's get this part of the building right here too as well, because I like it. And boom, keep in mind, this is 100% JPEG. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down here, get a little low. Gonna flip the camera upside down. And then I'm gonna get this shot just like this. Yeah, loving that, loving that. I actually like it like this too. Let's try to get it this way too as well. Get that good focus in. Nice. All right, let's move on to the next location. The next location. It's like I already shot this building, but this building is nice, right? I mean, you can't deny this building right here. Really can't deny it. So let's get it again. Boom. Let's go with that. All right, let's head over here to the next spot. Now I'm shooting in 50 megapixels because I just want to shoot in 50 megapixels. I'm not shooting in 12. And I'm not gonna shoot in 200 because 200 is ridiculous. I mean, I don't think it's gonna come out any better than 50. And 12 might be the best, to be honest with you, but don't care, I'm shooting 50 because my pixel could shoot 50. All right, let's get down low. Let's get this shot right here. All right, that's what that looking like. Whew, I'm actually liking this. Looking tough, looking tough. All right, let's see what this HDR looking like. Let's try to get real close to this subject right here. Hold on, let me wipe this lens off. I mean, it's looking smudgy, but it ain't smudgy. Whoa, selfie. No, it won't smudgy. All right, see, I'm messing up the HDR by tapping it. You know, that throws it off sometimes when you hit that tap button. So let's get that shot like that. Let's try a different angle. Let's try a different angle. Nah, I like the skyline that I was shooting or whatever, so yeah. All right, let's get this area right here. Now keep in mind, I'm just doing like some point and shooting stuff. Just testing out how these things look, but some of this stuff just looks better at a lower angle. So let's swap this to landscape. See, I'm messing up with the tapping right now. It's throwing the HDR off. I don't know if it's gonna. All right, let's move on. So I really do kind of enjoy this camera. Not saying like it's a bad camera by far or anything like that, but you guys know that I love other cameras. Really not a big fan of Samsung's processing style. That's my biggest gripe with them. But can you get excellent images out of this? Absolutely. I don't even know if I like that. Maybe I should have waited for nighttime for that one right there. So let's see. What about one of them shots from under the building? Let's see. I'm gonna get over here in this corner and see what it's looking like. We're gonna go over there too as well. And maybe get the fountain. See, I love lines. Let's see. This right here, not too sure because it's like you can't make out what it really is. But maybe if I step back some more. Just a little bit. I wonder what it's like to be up there. Oh yeah, this is better. This is it. Look like there's a pool up there. Let's get this part of the building. Like the colors is looking good besides the green. Green is looking a little green. So I'm not sure. It's not really 100% accurate, but it's social media ready. I'll tell you that much. Definitely ready for social media. So let's set this on the table. Clean it off a little bit. Best thing I like about the Pixel, you can just clean it off really, really easy. There you go. And let's go ahead and grab, wait. See, the sun is coming from that direction. So I'm gonna move further down. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it over here instead. So we can at least get some light to hit up on this pixel so we can actually see the color. So yes, we're gonna shoot this way. There we go. All right, so let's get pretty close. I just tapped, probably shouldn't have did that, because the background looked like it was gone, but it's back now, so I'm not gonna tap this time. And let's do it one more time, holding it. All right, gotta find that lighting. And there it is. Maybe at the building? Nope, this way. All right, let's get that natural depth of field from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's go around this corner and we're gonna go over here by the waterfront and we're gonna try to get some of these waterfalls that's coming down, or sprinklers, or y'all know what I mean. Hey, sorry to disrupt this video, but I just want to tell you about my Lightroom / Photoshop presets. If you're into photography or mobile photography, I know it can be hard for some of you beginners out there to figure out where to start at and what's a good base when editing your photos. Well, I got you. I have 2 preset packs just for you that will get you started. All you got to do is click that link down below and check out the packs and go ahead and find which one works for your style and what you like to do. And in these 2 packs, you have over 15 presets to choose from to your liking. And just remember, these are a baseline start. So that means you might have to do a little bit of tweaking to the light based off your conditions, because all lighting conditions are not treated equally. So all of my mobile photographers, amateur photographers, professional photographers, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out those packs, grab your presets and start editing. Anyways, let's get back to the video, everyone. Let's try getting these stairs. Maybe, I don't know. Nah, I don't know. Nope, nope, let's go down. You gotta find the shots. If it ain't a shot, don't do it. Just gotta find it. But waterfall looking pretty nice. But we're gonna get, boom. We're gonna hit it this way. We're gonna hit it that way. Just like that. Liking that? Got that 5X on, 1X, so I'm just playing. Let's go ahead and get that water. I don't want that building over there. Okay, I can get it. Let's dig it. I'll get it. I'm over here taking pictures with a phone, talking to myself. But you know, nobody's looking at me. You know what I'm saying? That's how we roll. But peep this out. We're gonna get another product shot real quick. All right. I'm gonna clean the phone off real quick. I'm gonna hold my iPhone out. Nope, gotta find the light. The light gotta hit right. And the light is hitting right now. And we're gonna go ahead and get that nice bokeh shot. All right, cool. All right. It's that building again. Man, I mean, this building it's just getting all the shots. Hang on, Ferguson building. Let's go ahead and get another shot of this Ferguson building. It's just getting all the shots today. I don't want that tree in there though. Let's get it, there we go. There we go. That looks good. We're gonna come up here on these steps, but I'm gonna shoot the steps. I'm gonna see if I could create something from these steps right here. Let's see. Normally the lower angles is always the best angles. Let's see what we can get. I'm gonna have to tap, focus, and lock this time. And yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, if it was raw, I could edit perfectly and even it out a lot better. But we're doing JPEG today, no raw files. I'll probably do raw shooting another day. But today I just wanna be like a normal person that's not a photographer who know what they're doing when it comes to these edits and everything like that, because that's not everybody. All right, so we're gonna get this building one more time. Oh no, I'm not liking the two tones going on right there, the shadows. But I mean, oh, there we go. I like that better. So here we go. I like this light. Let's try to get it at a different angle. Maybe a lower angle right here. Yeah, make it a little dark. Make it a little light. All right, we're gonna hit around here real quick. So I'm gonna get this shot right here, these stairs real quick. Nope, changed my mind. Thought I could see all the way up top. They played me. I don't know, let's see. And that's how you do it. Hit that, and then you hurry up, get out straight before you get hit. That's how that works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our last shot of the day. I'm just gonna get a really wide shot of all of this. Well, I'm not gonna use the wide angle, but just gonna get this overall scene of our shooting area that we were at. See how it comes out. There we go. I'm not even gonna hit the tap to focus right now. I wanted to so bad. All right, that was my last shot of the day. All right, everyone. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed this. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra. POV street photography, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Delvon Digital, peace.